Alright guys, so this is the new Istanbul Sala Monza rifles that we have in the store. And just to give you an idea, because I know everybody, or some people have an issue with Turkish made guns. So to give you an idea of the accuracy, we use some very cheap, the cheapest 6.5 Creedmoor ammo that they make. You can usually buy this ammo for like $20 to $22 a box. And this was the result of a 100-yard shot using standard full metal jacket ammo with the Monza 6.5 Creedmoor. So come by and check us out.